early hour of about 5 a.m. And the boat's on the top, and we're gonna go meet our friends and get this thing started. So here we go, Desolation Sound 2023, the crew trip. Here we go, bye. So we're at Ryan and Joe's and we're loading up the kayaks, transferring from there to here. Oh, there's the moon. So pretty. It's so early. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Okay, stop. Okay, so there's our other part of our crew there. And yeah, we're gonna pull up beside them now as we're driving. We're driving here, we're filming. And there we go, Okay, oh, yeah. All right, so we're starting off day 2 here. We woke up here at Bacon Bag Cottage, or is this the casa? This is the big house. And we got our hosts here, Matt and Lila Bacon. And yeah, so we're here with them and want to thank them for their hospitality. We had all 8 of us crash here on the deck last night. What do you guys have to say? Cheers.
Welcome here.
Thank you.
Come back soon.
Yeah, well, we're gonna come back and we're heading out there. We're gonna go out there. This is their front yard. This is their front living room with all the view that they have, and it's absolutely amazing. So you guys live in a beautiful spot, and yes, we'll be back to visit you, obviously. So
yeah, for sure.
Yes, Bacon Bag.
Hey mama, baby, sunning yourself today?
And here they go,
All
off
right.
to set the crab trap.
We're gonna go put a crab trap down, see if we can get some delectables for dinner.
Good luck.
Bye, thank you. Ocean white and tuna steak. All right, go. Try again. Nice. Okay.
Are we having crab for dessert? Didn't you put a rock in it? Did you bring your measuring thing, Brian? That's a lot of rope, man.
It was 100 kilos. No.
Oh yeah, look at it. Oh! Got that.
So it was stuck. It wasn't heavy.
Down the weed bed though. Down the weed bed, that's all we got.
Okay. Some kelp. We caught the kelp.
You're backing up into a rock.
That was the crabbing adventure.
I think you should call the Coast Guard. Coast Guard, Coast Guard. Mayday, mayday, there was no crab.
balmy for winds. That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Wow.
To be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Hey PLN, it's August 16, 2023, out here for Fresh Air at 5 on the vacay, and we're making breakfast skillet this morning from Peak 2 Refuel. It's cost money, but it's so worth it. And like, look at this, what we got here. We got some sausage in there, potatoes, and they didn't say to fry this up, but we're frying it up to make it even better than it is. We are here at Kermy Islands, and we've got a beautiful bay out there where we are. This is where we were yesterday. I see some seabirds and there's some seals out that way. I didn't tell you yesterday that we saw a mom and 2 fawn deer swimming out in the ocean at Copeland's as we were leaving yesterday. It was actually the coolest thing. They were swimming in the open water between the islands, and we watched them climb up and get away from us because they were scared of us. But no, the wildlife out here is just amazing. Haven't seen any whales yet, but we're hoping we do. And today we're gonna day trip. Tomorrow we're gonna go for a day trip. We're staying here. We're planning on moving, but no. Look at our campsite. Go over there. Film over there. Awesome. This is our campsites. Like, we don't need to move. We're gonna just keep our tents where they are, and it is going to be brilliant. All right, we'll talk to you a bit later today. And with that, Carpenter out. Bye-bye.
Renee's right there. Renee is right there, and the porpoise is right there. Porpoises. Oh, coming right at Ron and Joe.
I'm coming right at us. Look, Brett. They're right here.
I think they're like gone now. That's amazing.
Yeah, behind you.
Right by Renee. All right, coming towards you, Renee. Hey, get out of my view. There's a lot of orange rope and then there's a yellow rope.
What are we doing, Brian?
We're checking to see if we caught crab. Fancy Feast, that's my name here. Fancy Feast. Okay, we're at the yellow rope now.
Is it gonna be crab coconut curry or just vegetable curry? The time will tell.
And
Moment of truth.
Oh,
Oh!
what's on the outside of rock?
a rock.
That's sad.
I'm so sad.
He's letting us down.
Let me check to see if there's any still bait in there.
Maybe the little crab's got it.
There's still meat in there. Let's put it down and leave it till tomorrow. Yep.
Good plan.
All right. Well, you don't, if at first you don't succeed,
Try again.
I'll try again. Yeah!
There's cameraman number 3 down there.
Yeah! Yeah, man. That's good, baby. Yeah, man.
You definitely have the height for just about anything.
That's good, baby.
to the regatta. Today, out in Desolation South. Okay, here we are.
Giving it a go again.
His third time the charm.
We'll see. We'll see. And
Fancy feast.
failed.
Strike again.
Failure.
Strike
Failure and
out.
fancy feast. Oh well. The only good thing there, no crabs to deal with.
Alrighty,
All right, let's go.
back to camp.
From Mink Island back there over to Zed Point over here, and that's Sarah Point straight ahead. We got waves. Take a look at these waves.
helps.
Probably unzip my jacket.
I can't believe you're right down.